Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Paxcess Wall Climbing Automatic Pool Cleaner with Twin Large 180 Filter Basket. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Paxcess Automatic Pool Cleaner possesses 4 pieces sponge roller brushes to provide powerful adsorption and excellent wall climbing without any worry about falling when climbing. What's more, this pool cleaner robot pre-installed 3rd generation advanced computer program and worry-free sensor array, so it will not run outside the swimming pool. After it finishes cleaning the waterline, the pool cleaner will go back to the pool from the wall. Please notice it can't climb steps. Comparing to a similar robotic pool cleaner, Paxcess Pool Cleaner possesses 4 pieces PVA sponge roller brushes and 2 pieces powerful motors to provide twice the cleaning power. Leaving dirt nowhere to hide. With strong adsorbability, this pool vacuum cleaner cleans both floor and walls hassle-free. Front scrubbing sponge brushes quickly clean and vacuum debris from floor and stuck on walls for deeply cleaning, recommended for in-ground pools up to 12 meters 50 feet in length. Automatic Swimming Pool Cleaner is the newest type of efficient automatic pool cleaning equipment. The pool vacuum cleaner is controlled by intelligent computer programs so it can bring you all-round cleaning. Plug and play. You can decide the cleaning cycle which you want by simply pressing the button cycle. The pool cleaner can thoroughly clean the bottom and walls without supervision. Sustainably designed and energy efficient. 12 times energy efficient. With twin extra large TPAXCESS filter baskets, Paxcess Robotic Pool Cleaner not only traps leaves, dirt and fine debris but also cleans and circulates the water, leaving your pool sparkling clean. If you want to clean the filters, you just need to simply press the button in the front to open the top covers, remove the filter baskets from your pool cleaner, and rinse them with a garden hose. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.